We have so many options nowadays. It's unbelievable. The ability to earn in the online space is like nothing I've ever seen. To create a portable, flexible income that you can take with you no matter where you are in this world blows my mind. I'm still blown by it, even though I see it working. I still cannot even comprehend. This is coming on 7.5 weeks. As a Canadian, I'm going to tell you in Canadian dollars because that's what comes into my bank account, every single penny of it. I've made 133,000 Canadian dollars. I've almost made six figures in US dollars. I'm like 1,000 or something away. I'm like, to say I'm blown away is an understatement. I cannot even believe it to be true. And I say, pinch me. My husband is like, what is going on? We have now made, my friends, 2 months more than both of our combined income. My husband and me at our 9 to 5 job. We have out earned both our incomes in 2 months. 2 months.